since we weren't able to go to Sagada, we've gone on a spontaneous trip to Lago de Oro. We're now in Lago de Oro. Gonna do wakeboarding again. Just hang out. Let's see what happens today. Here we go. Wake session. 2 days in a row. Yeah! This one is a lot harder because the turns are so much sharper. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Such an awesome find. We're the only ones here at the wake park. 3.5 hours. I'm so tired. My arm is so sore. This is Lago de Oro. It's a resort. They have a swimming pool. The sea is right over there. The beach isn't too nice though. Wake park's pretty cool. There's like no one here. And travel distance from Manila, it's about 3 to 4 hours. Good weekend expedition, or if you only have a couple days, good place to come to if you're in Manila.
I have a quick random question.
What?
What does de Oro means? Because there's Lago de Oro and Cagayan de Oro. Assignment nyo yan.
The scars of wakeboarding.
It's tiring. Look, 2 different ones.
The next morning, we were so tired after wakeboarding, so we just passed out last night. Anyways, that was it for the video yesterday. If you enjoyed it, please give me a like, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Alright, see you guys tomorrow.